Eclectic in Central Istria is a project that the Tourist Board of Central Istria is promoting for the last 3 years. This year we have the project name Gourmet Getaway, which means that digital nomads that came through this project are tasting the best of Central Istria when it comes to enogastronomy. They are staying here for a month, and this year we have even more digital nomads than it was last year. We want to welcome everybody coming to Central Istria and to promote Central Istria as an ideal rural destination for digital nomads in Croatia.
Hi, so my name is Lizzie Koman. So I'm really trying to focus here on my own project, but also exploring the beautiful surroundings of Central Istria.
Oh yeah, I'm Nilesh. I'm a digital nomad. The food here is so good. I like the isolation because I get to work here. I like the quaintness of all the towns. The town we walked through just a few minutes ago, it was like a stone town. It was very, very unique, and I really like that.
My name is Nicky. I'm from Denmark. So just want to thank everyone who's made this possible, like the Central Istria Tourism Board and the National Tourism Board, but also especially DNA Croatia for getting it together so we can be a lot of people not working together, but working on each our thing together.